Hi, my name na Uche Jumbo. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.
Yes, so now welcome to Tatafo segment on Daybreak. Now still Naija TV, na here we dey, the ogbonge television for the people. My name na Aunty Rebe of the Rere Monastery, and I no dey here alone. No, I been dey here with my sister, Aunty Susu. I greet you.
Yes, so I greet you too.
How body?
Akuku day, I feel grand. My people, how una day? How every hope so this week how una dey flex the week. The week go soon punk we hope so na dey okay, hope so na dey do well.
And hope say na dey take care because of the koro matter.
Important that one dey important.
Now Tatafo segment be this wey be say we dey serve una as e dey hot the headlines for the newspaper dem wey we get for we obodo Nigeria. But we know how things dey go for we obodo, and first of all we go start with the Guardian newspaper. But we see wetin the Guardian newspaper talk for their own matter this morning. Guardian newspaper. On top Guardian newspaper, the one wey dey on top there talk say for this obodo Nigeria na federalism na im be the answer to the matter wey be say dem dey talk say make each state make im be the sole power for dem state, but no, this one dey talk say federalism na im be the answer. And there we go see the reason wey be say dem talk say our sector wey be say e dey make cloth wey be textile sector, how e take dey where e dey upon say the federal government they don put many help, many aids, say why e still dey where e dey. Still on the Guardian newspaper, for the side we go see say Oga Pence e don say im comot im hand, im comot im leg as dem take impeach im oga wey be Donald Trump. Im say im no dey On the Guardian newspaper there again, we go see say NASU dem don talk say dem no dey wey be say make dem reopen the university. Say today we go know wetin dey sup for their meeting wey be say dem go do. And we see say 894,101 candidates wey be say dem do exam, dem do NECO exam, na dem pass. Aunty Susu, you see anyone wey?
Yes, so Judge Jegede he don close the case wey dem carry go court against Akeredolu. He say he made the case punkpi, and as he close the case, so he not even call any witness. So then still on that Guardian, the presidency, our federal government, they don caution the Muslim group dem wey say make Bishop Kukah comot for inside Sokoto. Presidency don caution them, say they no get right to tell am make him comot for inside Sokoto.
So now so we take see am for the Guardian. May we move, may we waka enter Vanguard. May we see wetin Vanguard talk for their own paper. And
Vanguard newspaper, the main story na on top COVID-19. Dem say stakeholders they don back, say they don dey support make school open back, but with some kind condition. This one na ASUU, NANS, NAPTAN dem. Na dem talk say the school dem go fit open, but e get some kind condition. Those conditions una go flex am for page 5. Still on top the matter sef, dem say the school UNICEF na dey talk this one. Say no be school na dey push this coronavirus pandemic, so no be because of school. Even Afe Babalola sef don talk say say this university wey they wan close, so say e no dey for our constitution, say and e dey very dangerous. Students sef for inside Uniben, they don dey threaten say dem go beat their vice chancellor. Na the vice chancellor dey talk that one. Say if school no open back, dem go beat their VC.
Still on that Vanguard, we see say them ex-soldiers, they don't go finance ministry, they don't go protest, say the money wey be say dem hold them, the pension wey be say dem hold them, make dem pay them. And then NECO, they don't release their results. Dem talk say overall 73% people they been pass English and maths. And then for the Vanguard, we don't see say Navy, they don't dey warn the Niger Delta militants. Sake of say dem say they wan attack government property. Navy people, they don dey warn them, say make dem calm down, make dem punkpi. Even Oga Clark, he don tell Oga Akpabio say make dem no dey put mouth, make dem no dey shook mouth inside NDDC affairs. And then federal government, dem be don sue federal government say why dem go be the sole administrator of NDDC.
Youth dem be the ginger that time for Niger Delta na say dem no want sole administrator for NDDC. Na dem come take this people carry mind come go sue full federal government.
The matter is not reach like that. But the one wey me I see be say Navy they don say make dem no scatter anywhere.
Normally now, because e no make sense. Imagine say you go just wake up bath one day if you no even brush your teeth sef, because na smelling mouth dem take dey talk that kind thing. Come talk say you go soon scatter dey kidnap dey. E no make sense now.
E no gel at all. That is why our Navy people they don ready say anything if they hear anything like this.
Yes now, say pikin wey wan get long teeth make e prepare big lip wey go take cover am.
Na so we see am o. Make we waka, make we enter New Telegraph. Make we see wetin New Telegraph get to tell us this morning. New Telegraph. On top the New Telegraph, we see say dem say 32 states o, they don get World Bank grant. The money boku. Dem talk say na 123.38 billion naira na im dem bin get. Then again for the main tori wey dey there, Kuka. Dem say e don offend many Nigerians on top the talk wey im talk na dem presidency talk this one. Dem say Father Kuka e no suppose talk this one wey im talk o, say this thing wey im talk im offend many people, and where you dey live make you dey think of other people join before you go open mouth before you go talk. Then WHO dem don see say 1,750 experts they don come sit down, they wan agree on top how dem go merge koro variant vaccine dem. Still dem don talk say 20 doctors for University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital they don get this coronavirus. Then PDP they don dey find how dem go take dissolute presidential task force dem. They wan make dem scatter dem. They want me then scatter them.
Yes, so still on top this New Telegraph, because of this ASUU strike, one lecturer wey come turn taxi driver now because of say ASUU go strike, school no work. Now dem don shoot the driver poof like this. So that one na page 6. Now you go for flex that story. May he so rest in peace. So
amen. And this Oga Ndubuisi Kanu wey be say wey he died, the former military governor of Imo State. Them Buhari, Kalu, Tinubu, and them other governors they don dey mourn Oga. And for the down for the New Telegraph, that one dey very important part. Dem talk say hey, meat wey be say dem no cook very well, e dey cause brain tumor say e dey get something inside am wey be toxin. You understand? If you cook meat, if you no done, e fit cause brain tumor.
Wetin person dey rush when they cook meat when meat no dey done sef?
Some people go wan eat strong meat.
Headache.
Strong meat. So now dem don talk say make we dey cook the meat wey be say we go chop, make for no cause brain tumor. Make we waka enter Nigerian Tribune. Nigerian Tribune, make we see wetin dem talk this morning for us. Nigerian Tribune.
Nigerian Tribune, na the main tori na this same money wey be say all the whole states they don take collect on top the COVID-19 this thing. Say na 32 states they don get 123,348,000 naira. Now the performance grants wey dem give them na page 5 you go take flex that one. Then another matter again wey enter my eye be say on top COVID-19 Oyo they don dey talk with manufacturer dem, people wey dey do COVID-19 vaccine. They dey talk to them say about how dem go take get more COVID-19 vaccine. Stay like this, na 1,800 vaccine nine dem give Oyo State. Federal government nine give Oyo State 1,800 vaccine, and their govo Seyi Makinde dey talk say that vaccine so e no go reach them. Say because e can't even dey talk say e get some kind people wey no even wan make Amotekun dem succeed. Say dem go dey lie say wetin Amotekun no do, say dem do am. That tori na inside Nigerian Tribune. You go for flex am for page 4. Then 40 billion naira end allowance na on top that matter the money now the way dem take share the money, the percentage
give them
NASU and SSANU they come threaten like this say na 1 year, 1 full year and dem go take go strike because of
the matter be say you know say they don begin 3-day protest warning before dem go enter strike proper. Dem don talk say shebi ASUU get power dem enter strike for how many months? 7 months abi na 9 months. Say dem too dem ready if at all na 1 year na im go take dem make dem for fight this matter. Dem too dem ready to go.
Make so ASUU consider our children
I no understand. Still on that Nigerian Tribune, abeg bring am Nigerian Tribune. We see say gbege e don happen for Kwara APC o. The APC party for Kwara, they don get gbege sake of say dem no wan make dem remove the acting chairman wey bin dey there. Say dem no wan make dem remove am. Then on top there we see say Muslim Forum and CAN dem dey fight over Bishop Kukah. This one dem talk say the one wey the man talk, some Muslim Forum they don stand up, they don say no, they no want this kind talk for this man, make him apologize abi make him go. Presidency don say he no go anywhere, him be proper Nigerian. Say him fit stay anywhere, but himself making the mind wetin him go dey talk.
Normally you get freedom of religion now for this country. They are part of our constitution, but person go mind wetin dey talk. They still on top this our students matter, because I no understand. Now they say 233,000 students then go retake the NECO exam wey dem just write. Wey dem write the NECO exam wey dem write, say they go retake am.
This one serious. You know say as everybody don sit down for house, the thing don e affect even teachers sef. Not to talk of them the students dem. So na so e be.
If one way he way well.
May we waka, may we enter the nation, may we see wetin the nation get to give us. The nation, we see wetin dem get to tell us. Dem talk say on top the nation, the main tori wey dey there be say dem say make you beg abi make you quit. Presidency don warn the Muslim Forum wey be say dey threa ten Bishop Kukah. Say make dem leave the man. Him be bona fide Nigerian. If he stay anywhere, but make the man sef make him kpompe, make him calm down for the way wey be say in the talk. Then for there we see say Buhari Governor Tinubu and others they don mourn Ndubuisi Kanu, na the former military governor of Imo State wey be say he kpef of recent. Then dem talk say Makinde deputy crisis. Hey, Makinde and him deputy, him vice, dem gbege, e just dey deep, e just dey wide. Wetin dey happen, but wetin dey sup?
Why they no fit calm down, do that? That matter don't too stretch now. Wow, even tongue and teeth they fight inside mouth sef wey no come be.
Dem go settle am now. Dem go settle am.
This matter wetin as they say Arts Council and NYSC, they wan join body together now. They wan partner on top social harmony. They can't even pay tribute sef to Alaafin of Oyo.
That the nation, you see the main picture wey dey there.
And they see am o.
The picture na the National Guard wey be say dem direct make dem go the Capitol Hill. You know say on the 6th dem gbege dem scatter Capitol Hill. Now 10,000 they don dey there everywhere now. They don full there. Na so we see am o. May we waka, may we enter Daily Sun. Daily Sun. May we see wetin dem sef they have to tell us this morning. Daily Sun.
Daily Sun, they say 24 states, the main tori for them na this money wey federal government give them for performance grant, give 24 states for performance grant 123.3 billion naira grant. Then Sokoto them, they lead this thing with 6.7 billion naira. Now dem collect. Na Kano chop the list sef. Imo, Rivers, Bayelsa, Zamfara 1 naira no reach them.
They no see.
Wike can even confirm the money wey federal government refund give Rivers State, the 78 billion naira. Na Govo Wike senior man na talk that one. Then Mohammed Saraki and the stakeholders, they don't declare war like this on top their governor Abdulrazak. They don't say today na today we go put shook leg for one nika.
We go shook leg go. Still on that one, we see say for NECO exam. Some people wey be say dem do the exam, they don dey inside trouble on top the mago wey be say dem do when they do the exam. Dem be up to 33,470.
How many people write this exam wey 33,000 dey do mago? Our Let's not worry again.
So for that one, Daily Sun, we still see say 20 doctors they don carry koro for University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital. Still bring that Daily Sun back. We still see say Sanwo-Olu, that be Oga for Lagos State, governor of Lagos State, he don reactivate isolation center. You know, understand, as e be say cases e dey plenty, so e dey rearrange things. May we no to see wetin go pass our power. Then for down we see say hey, the matter of say you dey cross carpet, you dey go from one party to another. These people, Umar, he and him, and then Megu, they don settle dem gbege wey be say dem have.
Good.
Then may we go to the punch. May we see wetin the punch get for us.
The punch. Lagos, Oyo, dem plan purchase with Ogun, Cross River, Benue. They don't and they fault the allocation where they take share this thing for them. For on top the COVID-19 vaccine matter, this one they happen so.
Then on top that one, we see say 5 people dem be kpef sake of say rams. That is animal dem wey run enter truck for Lagos Ibadan expressway. They just run across, go jam them. 5 people kpef.
Chai.
Then presidency, they don want the people wey dey threaten Oga Kuka, say make him comot. They don want them and they don caution the Oga too.
Oh, wow, the US reps them, they don't impeach Donald Trump on top of the Capitol Hill invasion. Then where in supporters they enter the Capitol Hill, will be like National Assembly for that side. Congo scatter everywhere. They don't impeach Donald Trump. And now this January 29 supposed to come up for office.
They just impeach him. You understand? That one just be like dents on top him.
Yes, now.
You understand? No, if you run for public office. You go wait till go come out.
Yes.
You understand? And na the second time be this way dem go impeach the man within 1 year.
They see something.
Wetin Oga point, wetin Oga Donald Trump do na for America.
No, now, mercy, question. Oh, Allah.
Still bring back the punch. The punch. May we read the following news wey dey there. The punch. We see say Osinbajo, Kyari, and others they don meet on top the petroleum bill wey be say then they talk about. Then NECO then don release results. Then say 233,000 candidates go retake the exam wey be say dem be do before. That one then they talk say na EndSARS na him disrupt that one, na him scatter the timetable.
Then this one enter my eye for on top exporters. Exporters they complain say CBN procedures they cause bottleneck, they make them know they fit do exports, because if you be exporter, you won't carry something. Say their procedure, they make the thing hard for them to do. Now exporters, now them they complain that one. You go flex that one for page 19 on top the punch. And
for page 7, we go see say Ogun State to them be they plan for 10,000 housing units within the space of 2 years. At least that one good. Auntie Susu, for this matter where they grant like this, which one enter you well?
The matter plenty, abeg. See, the matter plenty, wey full ground. If you start to talk to me, we go come on. Okay, see now, look this example. These people where then they ginger say they won't go back to school. Then some they even they talk say they don't chop belly food. They won't beat their vice chancellor. That kind of thing no good. At the end of the day, now your own, now you they talk for. Say the place where you won't go back, say you won't go back go school, so it no good for you. But you know, say at the back of all this ginger, where these people they ginger, so them believe say corona day.
You see, this matter it be as it gets, because small time now, if you see our labor market, you go talk say then they find person within a particular age. You understand? But when you don't use like 3 years inside one class, before you finish, before you go serve and everything, you understand? So it dey affect. Wetin even arrest my attention pass now for Daily Sun, wey be say dem see the picture. Abeg, can we abeg help us bring back Daily Sun? Make we see the picture wey be say e dey there. We see our papa dem, wey be say dem be ex-soldiers dem. You understand? Dem pension, dem money, they never pay. They have to go to wetin dem dey call am the finance ministry to take beg. See as dem carry placard
person wey serve in country. You know wetin soldier dey see for front of war.
Training alone no be small thing.
Person go come do other wahala finish.
Training alone no be small thing. Abeg, na beg we dey beg. Make dem answer
these people.
Na beg we dey beg. Old people like that, pension wey we say dem suppose take dey flex now. You understand? Na you go see say some go before they buy, they no go collect.
And you know say na out of deep love wey person go get for im country go make am say I wan serve my country. I wan even put my life for ground.
Many people do this soldier work wey be say dem run away o. Dem run comot.
Na love wey person get for im country go make am do that kind thing. So abeg make una answer dem. Abeg.
Na so we say I'm on top the Tatafo segment for today. I hope say na enjoy our news for today. Auntie Susu, give our people. They
know na as usual. They know as they bring us. Na not the COVID sensitization. They make they tell them about the COVID matter because at the end of every day, see, I know if we talk two things, make I no let una know say corona they play with.
Corona
so make una know they play with them at all. See the thing. The new way will drop for here now. 20 doctors for Ilorin don't die.
For university,
that na
doctor. Teaching hospital.
That one na.
Then get
okay, they don't catch coro.
Then
20 doctors don't catch coro. Sorry, I beg. They don't catch coro. That one na doctor. We be say he know more about this thing than you will be ordinary man. So I beg our mama, papa, brother, sister. I beg auntie. I beg we dey beg you. I beg. Mask up. Social distancing. In fact, that place where you won't go. So if you know they very important.
Very important.
For house.
Very important. See, even this our Owambe, all this party, they don't talk more na stay on our house, more na day.
If you see some people wey go do burial party for Eco event center, Eco club event
center, they don't lock that place now.
You know that kind of thing no jail now.
They don't lock that place.
That kind of thing no na wisdom abi na atu sabi na be this thing where
people want flenjo, they want
your life dey important to me oh.
And again anywhere where you dey abeg freedom of speech we dey hear say freedom of speech dey but sometimes freedom after speech person no fit guarantee you.
Apart from that one sef when you dey talk make you dey use your brain. Fine you dey free to talk am but no be everything.
E get one talk wey be say one boy talk him be pharmacist the talk bad. They don't carry the boy. The papa come out 9 months now. We say they don't. They talk bad now against the president of this our obodo. Shey you understand? He bad. So anywhere where you dey, mind wetin you dey talk, mind wetin you dey do.
People go just talk anyhow.
Freedom of speech dey, but freedom after speech, na in person no fit tell you.
You understand? If you get points where you want, you get how you go take stress your points in a very reasonable manner. No be say because they say freedom of speech na your right to come dey talk and
come dey carry our kaya dey go. My people we see you. I still remain on Aunty Rebe of the real minister. Mona dey recharge, mona dey reloaded, so mona dey relevant.
Yes, so
we don't see you.
Hi, my name na Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.